In this video we're going to look at printing. So how to print in Excel, how to set the page for print in Excel. So first we're going to select our print area, select any cell and then press Ctrl A. The entire table or the work you have done that needs to be printed has been selected. Now we go to page layout. From there you will see in page setup print area. Click on the drop down and click on set print area. Okay, now that has been done. Now we're going to give the margins. So the margins is going to be 1 inch and 1 inch. I'm choosing this one. Then the orientation is going to be portrait, and the size taking A4 size. Okay, there we go. Now that it's been done, we are going to go to a different view. This is our normal view, and now we go to page layout, and this is the page layout. Let me zoom out a bit. There you go. You can see our page layout from here. This is page 1, this is page 2. Okay, then 3 and 4. So it does not look right to me because one column is being shifted to another page instead of the same page. Okay, so we go to page break preview. There we go. From here we can set our page breaks, and let me zoom in a bit. There we go. And if you see a blue dotted line here, these are the page breaks representing two different pages. This is page 1 till this break line, and from this break line, from below this break line, it is page 2. Then we go to page 3. Okay, so this is how it's going to be printed. So it looks alright to me in this way. Now what we could have done is we could have manually changed the page break line by moving it up. Now my page 1 is still here and page 2 starts from here, and we could have gotten down as well in the page. So this is actually up to you how much you want to get on one page and then on the other page. So that is it. Let's go back to the page layout view. There we go. You can even do more adjustments here to your preference, and there you go. That is how you set page breaks and other stuff like that, and that is how you can get your sheet ready for printing. Let's go back to normal. There we go. Actually don't need that part. Let's just go back here, drag it back there. There we go. Let's go back to page layout. Okay, let me see that. There you go. So it is, you can say it's set now. This looks pretty good to me. It could have been better if I work a bit more on it. So that is how you can set your page for printing in Microsoft Excel. Thank you very much for watching. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.